Namaskar, my name is Viranarli. I am the NLP Master Life Coach and Trainer. In my last video, you have seen how the events get registered into the mind and it goes into the body. Today we will see further these events, whatever registered in the mind, what is it is going to happen to it into the body. We'll see to it. So this is what yourself and myself look like. And last time I explained you that whenever the event before getting registered into the mind, there will be filter will be applied which we cannot see it. There are three major changes that is taking place. The first one is the deletion, that whatever the event is there, it gets deleted as it is. And the second one is the distortion, that event is something else, it gets changed into event 2 and it gets registered into the mind. And the third one is the generalized belief we are carrying throughout our life, which gets registered into the mind. Like this, whatever this event is there, I call it as E1. It passes through this filter and comes to our mind. Here I call it as event 2 and gets registered into the mind. This event, whatever registered into the mind, we call it as state. There are different names can be given to this. That is, in general terms we call it as mood. In the terms of students we call it as memory, or in terms of the sports person we call it as zone, or manodasha in Hindi we call it as, or it is a subjective experience, or internal map, or the pattern. There are so many names it will be given to this state condition. Before, how this state will be formed? The majorly three of the things, that is, one is the vision, that is through our eyes we see the things and we feel the events and it gets registered into the mind. And the second one is the audio. We hear it from the ears and it gets registered into the mind, whatever the sound is there. And the third one we call it as K, that is kinesthetic, that is by touch or by the feel we get the events gets registered into the mind. There are two more other factors are there, that is olfactory and gustatory, that is taste and smell. It doesn't make much sense in this state formation. Whatever the state is there, or the mood is there, zone or whatever is there, there will be two types it will be there. One is the resourceful state and another is the unresourceful state, or we can say it as, in other words, it is the desired state and undesired state. There are two things will be there. So I call it as positive one for the desired, or the whatever the things are there, and it is undesired, I call it as the negative one. Resourceful and unresourceful, desired and undesired. Here the positivity, what happens? It creates the happiness in the mind, in the life also. Always the person will be joyful. Always it will be giving the delightfulness. Always it will be giving the togetherness feeling, it will be giving. Like that, whatever the positivity it is there, it is going to come in this resourceful state. In the unresourceful state, it is always the person will be unhappy. Sadness will be there. Feels loneliness, and there will be fear in the mind, and lot of things will be there. Here, how this positive and negative state will be formed? It is because of the state wherein condition the chemicals will be released. In the unresourceful condition or the undesired state condition, there will be release of adrenaline and cortisol. cortisol, which will be responsible for this state condition. And in the case of it is desired one or positivity or the resourceful state, there will be 4 happy chemicals will be released. I call it as 4 happy chemicals. One is the dopamine, and another is oxytocin, serotonin and endorphin. These are the 4 happy chemicals that will be released, and throughout the life all these state condition will be carried out. How we can go for releasing these happy chemicals and how we have to be happy, we will see to it in the next video or in detail about these 4 happy chemicals, how we have to release, and throughout the life how we should be happy. Thank you very much for listening and observing this video, and I request you to pass on this message to all your friends, colleagues, relatives, on your WhatsApp group or on your Facebook group or any other social media, so that the message should go to one and all. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.